Hello guys and welcome back to Cught on Dashcam channel. In today's episode, you will only watch police related content. When cops are on time and instant karma moments are the best and most satisfying thing. Let's not waste any more time and dive right into this episode. Truck driver was speeding, cutting other vehicles off and putting everyone's safety at risk, but not for long. A state trooper saw what was going on and he delivered a dose of karma just in time. Always be ready for the worst when you're breaking the speed limit. A close call, crash, or in this case, a massive dose of karma. Camera was going a bit over the speed limit, but the driver that was behind him was really impatient and he overtook him right in front of police officer. You can guess what happened next.
Okay, it means something.
By the way, as we were talking, 54% chance that Donald Trump wins. They've moved while we're talking. It just moved again. It was 55% chance Donald Trump is going to win right now.
Stop saying the number.
61% chance of winning
This
for Donald
is
Trump.
insane. This is
Okay,
insane.
so I've got a lot more ramifications. Oh, wow.
When using the shoulder of the road as a means to avoid heavy traffic backfires on you, check out what happened to this rude BMW driver.
That's called karma.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have another driver who thinks that speeding on the road is not a big deal. This guy actually took it one step further as he sped past the cop. Can you guess what happened next?
One, maybe a postponement, is time for a close shave of the week. Close shave of the week is coming from G2 and FaZe Clan when they went head-to-head in the ESL Counter-Strike Global Offensive play in group stages during the Road to Rio Quad.
Come on, get him,
Taking the lead
get him,
15-5,
get him,
playing a wild
get him,
knocking on the
get him,
only one round.
get him.
Here's a clutch round and send it to the team.
Olaf closing the gap, the flashes are bad, and Olaf wins the first duel. Now they've got to solve this puzzle quick. Next is in a position to stop that Dashcam. He's going to play around it, using that smoke to his advantage. Bullets are connecting, but Nix is the one to take us to overtime.
Oh snap! And I got that on Dashcam too.
Why did you put up for?
He cut me off. He pulled right out, right in front of me.
Police officer used this method to slow down the traffic because of the roadworks that were up ahead the road. With this clip, we conclude another Instant Karma episode on Cught on Dashcam channel. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy watching this one. Until the next episode, drive safe and obey the traffic rules.